Hey guys, Nik Nestoroff of the KHS Pro MTB team, and I'm going to be doing a bike check on my favorite training bike, the KHS 6600. I'm running it in the 29 spec. You can also do 275 plus, but I go 29 for rolling speed, stability, and traction. Frame, full carbon frame, super light, perfect for climbing and also descending. It's complemented with factory Fox suspension, Fox 36 up front, DHX2 rear coil with a lockout, which is perfect for everything that I do. The bike has the all-new Shimano XT drivetrain, 12-speed ranging from 11 tooth to a 51 tooth, which is very good for climbing. You need that extra gear on the long rides. Same pedals. Kenda Hellcat tires, which is perfect with the little mini spike knobs. Does good in every condition, dry, wet, soft, stiff, and perfect tires for a trail bike. Coming up to the cockpit, we have the all-new Shimano XT 4-piston brakes, which are perfect, meaning it has the lightness of the 2-piston, but the stopping power of the 4-piston, which you want to get every gram you can get on a trail bike. And Shimano shifting, Shimano seat dropper lever, cockpit's full Shimano with FSA bar, FSA stem, ODI, long neck lock-on grips, FSA Flow Trail saddle, WTB Silverado saddle, and yeah, that's my trail bike. Super awesome, 160 mil, 150 mil, does everything super well, climbing, ascending, and I enjoy it. I've had a ton of good rides on it and I'm gonna keep doing that.